Alright guys, wow, I feel like I'm starting a lot of vlogs in the car, but anyway, hi guys, happy Friday, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Renee, sit down. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate that you are here. I'm just taking Ria to school, and then after that I'm gonna head back home. Still working from home, but today we have like a social event in the office. It's tricky attending events when you are vegan. Like, what do you eat? I think it's gonna go well because the response that I've been getting when I tell people I'm vegan at my new place, my new workplace, has been really positive, has been really nice compared to compared to the response I used to get at company X, where people would be like, what are you gonna eat? Why are you vegan? Why would you want to do that? Which I thought it was so rude. First of all, it's none of your business. What I eat has nothing to do with you, and if you are interested, you can ask it politely instead of asking why would I want to do that to myself. But anyway, hello Bobo. Hey, yeah, Papa. Okay. Put on your mask and go to school, ma'am. See you later. I love you. Ow. Guys, look at this. I can hardly wait till I get home. I'm just gonna indulge right now. Here is my breakfast, guys. Like, I'm so excited for this. Yummy, my heart is jumping. So I'm gonna work now and I'll see you guys in a bit. I look so ridiculous with this beanie and the plastic, but the hair has to be done. Like, it must be done. It must make the things that makes the pots to be done. So I'm gonna see you guys a bit later on. Tepiso is sleeping, Tepo is with my mom, and Renee is just is eating beku. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit though. Hi guys, so I'm heading out to my work social. I don't think I'm gonna stay the whole like 2 hours, just because I have to get Ria from school. Wow, I'm shining so much. It's so hot. I didn't wear any makeup today. I'm here to see Palisa, just to congratulate her on opening a beauty parlor. I bought her gifts, so I'm just gonna pop by and see her place. I'm so excited for her for this milestone. It's amazing. Let me take my mask.
The following day.
Hello, Bebo. Hello, Bebo. Hello, Bebo. Uto hatang mo. Hello, Tepo. Hello, Tepilolo. Hello, Tepilolo. children having a picnic for the day. I'm having this vegetable balls. Let me show you. These ones, they're so nice. They don't say vegan, they say vegetable, but going through the ingredients, they seem vegan. So yay. Bye bye, Ria. Ria. Bye bye. Where are you going? Okay, bye. Rene, bye bye. Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. Well, the second day of the vlog. So we just decided to come have a small picnic. Like we randomly bought things and just came out. Me and Renewe, me and the older kids. Well, us and the older kids. Just because, yeah, we haven't done anything with just them in a while. And yeah, my mom is looking after the twins. So here we are. It's so nice being out here, guys. Like, it's so nice, it's refreshing. So that's what we're doing. I love nature, I love the breeze, I love the plants. Like, isn't that nice to look at? Like, just look at that.
The following day.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. I'm so tired. Like, I'm tired, but it's fine. I'm also hungry. Like, I'm starving. I woke up hungry, so wow. So I just took a bath, and do you hear that? Tepis was awake. Actually, Tepa woke up before her, which is weird a little. So we're gonna get ready because church is open. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is the 4th week, I think. Yeah, this is the 4th week. We went last week. It was weird but nice. So we're going again. Happy Sunday, guys. I'll see you later. Hi guys, so we are on our way to church now. I'm so excited. Church is finally open. Tepiso is sleeping. She was the most restless this morning. The most calm baby I know, also sleeping. She slept within 3 minutes when we got into the car, and she was out. Ready to go in with my face shield, guys. I can't breathe in a mask. Like, when I'm wearing a mask for long, I struggle to breathe. So I opted for this face shield. Also, my lipstick will not be smudged all over my mask when I'm wearing this. How cool is this? That in 2020, this is how we look. So yay. I'll see you guys later. We're about to go in now. So yeah. Hi guys, so we are back home. We got home from church I think around 2 or just before 2. So church was great, but today, guys, wow, Renewe and Tepo were making so much noise. Going to church with kids. It's an extreme sport. Well, when you have more than one child, I believe, because when you have one baby, it's a lot easier than when you have like 4. But anyway, church was great. I'm so grateful we are able to go to church, and we have been chilling. Anyway guys, I hope I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a massive thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and share the video and let me know your thoughts. Stay blessed and win today. I'll see you guys in the next video.